Hey everyone, I know that I can't be in the salon and I had kind of teased a little video, so I'm gonna try to do this right. I got this thing yesterday. I actually have an older one that I use for my lip because I have a very sensitive lip. So I can't always wax. I mean, I'm not the only one that has that sensitive lip, so I'm gonna give it a shot today. I don't know how well this is gonna turn out, but you can see, I'm gonna get real close. I'm very fuzzy through here. I'm actually gonna take whatever I drew. This one's not so bad. Drew in, take it off, and we're gonna see if this little tool actually works. So here it is. It's like turquoise. It's like the size of a pen. Getting the batteries in wasn't too bad, and they boast this little light thing. Sounds awful, but that's okay. So I'm gonna take my brow off and we're gonna try it. You can see my painted on parts. They're gone. We're clear. So I'm just gonna grab like a, oh, you can see I did get my brows off, but we're having some technical issues here. Oh, check it out, I got smudge on me too. Anyway, so I'm just gonna kind of recap real quick what I did do before my camera deleted everything. Where your brows should be are marked with this really pretty blue, and I'm gonna use an orange wood stick to measure it out. Right there, that's where your brow should be. As you can see, I don't have brow here because when, like, right before 2010, right, a little bit before I started doing hair, the style was like super skinny and super not there, and it stayed that way. We used to go on the outside edge of the nose, and we realized how far apart that was, so we started going right on the, like, right where your bridge would be. But anyway, I digress. So what these marks are, and we're gonna just have to keep pausing this so I don't lose it. Where your brow should start, where your brow should be arched, which is a 45-degree angle from the center of your nose, and then from the very edge of your nose, 45 degrees is where the edge should be. Same on that side. Anyway, so now we know we're marked. You're gonna see there's stuff missing here because, which is fine because camera, ew. Look, I even smudged my. This is what quarantine does to people. Anyway, I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna actually lean real close. Ooh, check it. We did get a little bit out from there. But this one's fuzzier, so it'll be better for you guys to see anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna pause and then I'm gonna start again. All right. I stopped, and like that one's actually really not bad. I don't think this will be nearly as good as like waxing because of with waxing you get down to the root. That sounds horrible. It's really not that bad though. It doesn't hurt at all. And then, like, I always push up, make sure nothing. That's what I do. I mean, if you've been in my chair, you know. You know. Push them all down. It's very hard to do in camera. I mean, if I mess them up, it's really not that big of a deal. You guys aren't going to see me. Keep your arch. Keep your arch. Okay, we're going to pause. Well, no, we're not. No. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Very cool. Be right back. We're gonna do a fuzzy boy right there. The best time with technology, but I'm gonna try to get in here. As I said before, I was rudely interrupted by horrible technology. Oh my god. I feel like it's chopping down trees. Not a substitute for waxing. Far less abrasive than actually trying to learn how to wax all by yourself. It sounds like it's chopping down little trees. Ooh, maybe. Okay, I gotta pause. I gotta stop and see, like, check my real mirror, and then I'll be right back. Guys, check. So it's not horrible. It's not very. Oh, look at my poor little tail. It's going away. Anyway. So, through here, I only get like little teeny tiny fuzzies through here. Uh-oh. Okay, so doing good here. So what I'm gonna do with these little fuzzies, you can get these like at the dollar store, I think, maybe? I don't know. Anywho, they're just little razors, and all I'm gonna do, and I'm not gonna go even the whole way there. I always like to look at it. Ew, look how gross now. Ugh, that's disgusting. And then I am actually gonna tweeze a few because like I've got some rogues. Check out my rogues. I got rogues. And I got this weird hole thing here. I don't know what's going on there. Anyway. And then I'll show you how I shape my top. Okay, so do like the top through here.
These things.
I'm just gonna go and brush all this up. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. God, I'm so fuzzy. I haven't been doing stuff since you guys can't come see me. But these bad boys, they need it done that way. Like, at least there's something that maybe I can help you with from afar. I don't know.
So this thing is not going to do anything. Yeah, I've arranged it.
Not too much, you don't need to go crazy. Technical the glue off, and I'm gonna get closer. I mean, it did get stuff. Look at that thing, ew. We got some stuff. We are cleaned up a little bit. So all in all, oh, where'd I put it? Does this thing work? It does. I'll probably just tweeze. We don't say plug, we say tweeze. I would tweeze instead. And if you need help with that, damn. We've had some technical difficulties tonight. If you need help with that, I'm still here. I can still answer questions. Anyway, I hope you found this informative. I still would say, oh, I hope I didn't make too much noise there. I'm trying to hold this thing in place. I would still say this thing, because I do this thing with my lip. Now remember, it's like shaving. It's like shaving your legs, the whole nine. You're still gonna get little stubbles. But you won't have hair there for a little bit. Yeah. You can put lipstick on because clearly I can't. It's a good way while a stylist are furloughed to at least get by, or you can always ask us questions. Otherwise, I'm going to try some other stuff that maybe I probably shouldn't try. But what else am I going to do? I'm quarantined. I'm not really cool. I'm not sick. But I'm stuck here. It is what it is. Anyway, I'll see you.